In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up calendars and bookings for an auto shop repair business here in GoHighLevel. We got a full link below if you want to watch the full tutorial of how to set this up from start to finish. It's Friday. We're going to grab our favorite drink here, Olipop, Chris Apple. I wrote Dad on there so my kids wouldn't drink it. All right, let's jump into it. Set up a calendar here. So I'm going to go into the calendars. An idea also you can do with the chat widget or just putting it on your website is a calendar widget. To book appointments. So calendars, you go in here, go to calendar settings. You can do a personal calendar or you can create like a service calendar, service menu, put that type of items in there. We'll just look at this default calendar that it made. So it's gonna put your availability, you say when available. Most repairs are probably more than 30 minutes, so we'll say 1 hour. We're open 8 to 5. That's what we might have to change it since we said 8 to 6 on the other thing. But that you can also take forms of payment in here. So if you want to take payments automatically through your calendar, you could. Notifications, you can set up how it comes in if you want a text message, email, any other customizations, and you just save that. Can also come into the calendars here and do connections. Come in and do Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iCloud Calendly, Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. You just enable all those, and that'll put that in that calendar so you can connect everything. And you would save that. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.